Hey Rockstars, Lid Shaw with Recording Studio Rockstars, and in this video we are going to open up and take a look at the STX-600 mic pre and complimiter from Spectra 1964, so get ready to rock. How you doing? My name is Lid Shaw and welcome to Recording Studio Rockstars. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to record, edit, mix, and master your best record ever, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and like this video so you don't miss anything from us here at Recording Studio Rockstars. So I just got in a new package from Spectra 1964. This should be the STX-600 Gold mic pre and complimiter. So let's open this thing up and take a look and see what's inside. Very nice, look at this. So this is a 500 series mic preamp complimiter from Spectra 1964. It's part of their STX series. So here at the studio I have the STX-100 and the STX-500, which is the mic pre and the EQ, and this is the STX-600, which has the mic pre and the complimiter feature of the C610 complimiter built directly into this 500 series unit. Okay, so you can see how this looks very similar to the 100 in terms of these switches. So this is the on-off for the phantom. Then you have the phase and polarity switch for normal and reverse. You also have a pad switch here, which gives you a 10 dB pad. Although it looks like you don't see the label, but you do see it on the STX-100. And then this is the input gain, which you turn up until this threshold light blinks, which, just like the C610 down here, this input will make the threshold light blink, and that's how you know that you're setting your peak levels properly. And that's what's built into this STX-600. And then you have an output right here, so then you can set your level to tape and Pro Tools right there appropriately. So essentially the knobs on the face of this look identical to the STX-100. However, this also has the limiter feature built into it that you would find in the C610 complimiter, which means that when we set levels on this, we're actually shaving off and taming some of the transient peaks of our signal without adding any distortion or messing up any of those transient peaks. So this means we're basically going to be able to bring up a sound with these mic pre's and pack more level onto Pro Tools or onto tape. I'm pretty excited. Awesome, thanks for watching this video, Rockstars. If you want to learn more about Spectra 1964, just go to the link below at spectra1964.com. You can check out their STX-500 series with the 100 mic pre, the 500 EQ, and then the 600 mic pre with complimiter built in. Please remember to subscribe and hit the like button and hit that notification bell so you see more videos from us when they come out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.